U.S. versus Nixon. Nixon was a Republican elected in office January 20th through August 9th, 1974. He was the only U.S. president to resign from office. In 1972, President Richard Nixon was running for re-election against Senator George McGovern, a Democrat. 5 months before the election, an alert security guard found burglars in the Democratic Party headquarters, which was located in Washington's Watergate apartment complex. Reporters following the story connected the burglars to high-ranking officials in the White House. Nixon denied any connection to the break-in. However, an independent congressional investigation revealed the existence of audio tapes of the president discussing the break-in with its organizers.
On July 8th to the 24th of 1974, a grand jury returned indictments against 7 of President Richard Nixon's closest aides in the Watergate affair. Was it the president's right to safeguard certain information using his executive privilege, confidentiality power, entirely immune from judicial review? Nixon refused to turn the tapes over to Congress, claiming the tapes were covered by executive privilege. He claimed that the president had the right to privilege communication that could not be looked at by any other branch of the government. The district court ruled against Nixon. The president appealed, and the case quickly reached the Supreme Court.
In July 1974, the Supreme Court decided unanimously that Nixon was to hand over the tapes. The court said that under the Constitution, the judiciary had the final voice, not the executive branch. As for the executive privilege, the court acknowledged that the president had the right to privilege communication where certain areas of national security were concerned. However, the court stated that this case did not meet those conditions. Furthermore, the court declared that no president is above the law. Nixon handed over the tapes that revealed that he had personally engaged in the cover-ups of the burglary. Within a few days, Congress began to impeachment proceedings against the president for his actions. Rather than face the impeachment hearings, Nixon resigned from office.